For centuries, cultures around the world have turned to nature's bounty for healing. Plants offer a wealth of therapeutic benefits. Herbal medicine uses plants to address health concerns. These natural remedies can provide gentle and effective support for everyday ailments. Herbs contain powerful compounds. These compounds can work in synergy with our bodies. They can help to restore balance and promote well-being. Incorporating herbs into our daily routines can be empowering. It allows us to take an active role in our health journey. It's important to remember that herbs are potent. While generally safe, it's crucial to use them responsibly. Always consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized guidance on dosage and potential interactions. Let's delve into the world of herbal healing and discover how these natural wonders can enhance our well-being. Our digestive system plays a vital role in our overall health. When it's functioning optimally, we feel energized and vibrant. However, digestive discomforts are common. These can range from occasional indigestion to more persistent issues. Thankfully, nature provides us with a variety of herbs to support digestive harmony. Ginger, with its warming properties, is a renowned digestive aid. It can help to alleviate nausea, reduce bloating, and soothe the stomach. Peppermint, known for its refreshing aroma, can also ease digestive discomfort. It can calm spasms in the digestive tract and relieve gas. These herbs can be enjoyed in various ways. Steep fresh ginger root to create a warming tea. Add a few peppermint leaves to hot water for a soothing beverage after meals. Incorporating these herbs into your diet can contribute to a happy and healthy digestive system. Our respiratory system is constantly working to provide our bodies with oxygen. When faced with coughs, colds, or congestion, we can turn to herbs for relief. Eucalyptus, with its strong camphorous aroma, is a popular choice for respiratory support. It can help open up the airways and make breathing easier. Thyme is another powerful herb known for its expectorant properties. It can help to loosen mucus and clear congestion. Both eucalyptus and thyme can be used in various ways to support respiratory health. Add a few drops of eucalyptus essential oil to a humidifier or diffuser. Create a soothing chest rub by combining eucalyptus and thyme essential oils with a carrier oil like coconut oil. Remember to dilute essential oils properly before topical use. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance on using essential oils safely and effectively. Section 4. Finding calm amidst the chaos, herbs for stress and anxiety relief. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety have become commonplace. While these emotions are a natural part of life, chronic stress can take a toll on our well-being. Fortunately, nature provides us with gentle and effective herbs to promote calmness and relaxation. Chamomile, with its delicate floral aroma, has long been revered for its calming properties. It can help to ease tension, promote relaxation, and improve sleep quality. Lavender, known for its soothing scent, is another popular choice for stress and anxiety relief. It can help to calm the mind, reduce feelings of overwhelm, and promote a sense of peace. Enjoy a cup of chamomile tea before bedtime to unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil to a warm bath for a relaxing and aromatic experience. Incorporating these calming herbs into your daily routine can help you navigate the challenges of modern life with greater ease. Section 5. Brewing Wellness, a guide to crafting herbal infusions. Creating your own herbal infusions is a simple and rewarding way to experience the therapeutic benefits of plants. Whether you're seeking digestive support, respiratory relief, or stress reduction, there's an herbal tea for every need. To make a basic herbal infusion, you'll need dried herbs or tea bags, filtered water, a teapot or mug, and a strainer. Begin by boiling water. While the water is heating, add your chosen herbs to a teapot or mug. Pour the hot water over the herbs and allow them to steep for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your desired strength. Strain the tea into a cup and enjoy. Experiment with different herb combinations to create unique and flavorful blends tailored to your specific needs. Remember to source high-quality herbs from reputable suppliers to ensure potency and purity. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns about potential interactions or contraindications. Section 6. Creating your herbal sanctuary first aid kit and beyond. Creating an herbal first aid kit is a wonderful way to be prepared for minor ailments and emergencies. Gather a collection of essential herbs and supplies to address common health concerns. Include herbs like calendula, which soothes burns and skin irritations, lavender, which promotes relaxation and wound healing, peppermint, which relieves headaches and digestive discomfort, and tea tree, a natural antiseptic for minor cuts and scrapes. In addition to a first aid kit, you can create a soothing herbal steam bath for respiratory support. Fill a bowl with hot water and add a few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint essential oil. Drape a towel over your head and inhale the steam for 5 to 10 minutes. For localized relief, try making an herbal inhaler. Fill a small container with cotton balls soaked in essential oils like eucalyptus, peppermint, or lavender. Inhale deeply as needed. Remember to research and follow safety guidelines when using essential oils, especially for children or individuals with sensitivities. Enjoy the journey of exploring the vast world of herbal healing and empower yourself to take an active role in your health and well-being.